guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be yet another day in my life sort of a vlog. So today is actually a different vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys BTS of a branded shoot. So I am shooting for 3 brands today, and since I don't really have a team, I do everything by myself or sometimes take my mom's help. So I thought of why not take you guys along and show you guys as to how brands deal with influencers for their campaigns and what basically goes behind the scenes. So I'm shooting for 3 brands today. The first one is Roop Mantra, second one is Plum, and the third one is Herbal Essences. I am so excited that I'm even like saying these brands names that are collaborating with me. It's such a great opportunity and I'm so beyond grateful for that. So I thought of why not vlog it and show you guys. So right now it is 2 in the afternoon. I usually, sorry, that was my phone. So I usually start filming around 1 or 2 in the afternoon only, because usually tab tak everything is like settled, zyada background noise nahi hota hai, and my mom's also free by this time, so she can also help me a little bit. So I just had my lunch and took a shower, worked out and everything in the morning itself. My hair is a little wet, so I will style that. I will do my makeup and everything as well a little later. So first, what I do is I do my setup. I take out all the products that need to be showcased in the picture, video, whatever I'm taking. So yeah, that's a long ass intro. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the cabinet in my balcony where I actually store like all of my PR stuff and like my bags and stuff. I had shown this in my previous vlog as well. So यहाँ पे I have all of my like PR packages and giveaway products and everything. So I've organized them in like these little baskets, so it's like really convenient for me and it's not taking up like a lot of space in my actual wardrobe over here. So yeah, I've kept everything in this, and recent addition to my balcony is this fake grass mat. I think it looks really cool. Let me just put this, yeah, y'all can see. So I shoot a lot of flat lays over here and this actually looks pretty cool, and यहाँ पे बाहर भी एक झाड़ है, so ये all in all it's like a pretty great view. So yeah, I am going to be shooting I think the Herbal Essence campaign over here, like यहाँ पे बैठ के. But for now, let's take out all the products. Sorry guys, अगर मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, मैं बाहर हूँ तो there are a lot of cars and stuff going. But yeah, these are the 2 products that I have to shoot for with Plum. This is the Herbal Essence का PR kit that I received, so that's that. So this is the Roop Mantra product that I'm shooting for. So my setup is all ready. मैं reels shoot करने वाली हूँ. Roop Mantra actually wants me to shoot a quick reel using their herbal facial kit. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is my setup, and as you can see, I have my laptop over here. I have connected my phone to my laptop so that I can see what I'm filming. So that's really helpful when you're using a back camera, since I have no one to help me out right now. So I can see over here as to what frame is it. तो मैं थोड़ा आगे पीछे होके I can set it up. Oh man, यार मैं स्प्रे बॉटल तो रखना ही भूल गई साथ में. Now I will have to go to the washroom. गीला करके आती हूँ. Be right back. Okay guys, so I got done with, oh sorry, I was looking somewhere else. Okay guys, so I just got done with my Roop Mantra reel that I had to take. एक 15 seconds के reel के लिए मुझे आधा घंटा लग गया, and मुझे 1 घंटा लगेगा अब इसको edit करने. But yeah, it was pretty easy. मुझे इसमें मॉम की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, so I got done with that. Now I am about to do my makeup and hair and outfit. Okay guys, so I just got done with my hair, makeup and outfit. I kept it pretty minimal, like just a pink lips and clean skin and clean eyes. And also I'm just wearing a really basic pink colored top. This one is from Vero Moda, and I've just straightened my hair, nothing too fancy. And niche I'm wearing pajamas, if you can see, because itna hi short aane wala hai, so why even bother, right? And also पीछे का mess, just ignore it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot for Plum. So I have their products right here which I'm going to showcase, and I will just show you how they sent us the brief as to, you know, what are they expecting, what are the key points they want us to highlight, and what sort of a story aesthetic and everything they're looking for. So I will show you guys that, and yeah, let's begin. Hey guys, so this is how the brand send us all the brief. This is regarding the video story, and this is regarding the post. So they've mentioned like what the first post has to be. So यहाँ पे they've mentioned that it has to be along with the products, and then यहाँ पे they've mentioned that, you know, keep the background a little light-hearted, wear so and so colored clothes and everything. So yeah, that's how the Plum brief had come in. So guys, I just got done with the stories that I had to take, so I thought of why not show it to you guys. Okay, let me just play it starting say. Hey everyone, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. So I quickly wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about a body care range that I'm currently obsessed with. It's the Plum Body Loving Oopsie Daisy range. So I'm done taking the story. Now it's time to click the picture. I will have to figure out the setup. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. And I think I'm gonna need my mom's help for this one. So yeah, let's go. So right now I'm in my living room, as you can see, and I'm trying to like sort of build up a setup for the picture, because I don't want it just to be like a plain background. I need something, so we'll figure that out. I think I got the shot, you guys. Literally मैंने 2 बारी photos लिए, उसमें shot आ गया. I really like this picture. The product is also like clearly visible, and yeah, like it. And मुझे मॉम को बुलाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. So yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, Plum का जो carousel post था, उसमें 3 pictures लेने थे. The first one, as you saw, I took in the living room. The second one is a flat lay of the products which I had already taken yesterday, and the third one is actually not a picture. It's a stop motion video of me applying the shower gel on my hand and showing the texture and everything. Now ये सब में I totally forgot that Herbal Essence का picture was to be taken in natural lighting, and they wanted like a lot of greenery and everything in the picture, so I had to do like a proper setup and everything. And right now it's 4:45. The lighting is getting a bit dim outside, तो अभी फ़िलहाल I'm just gonna do the setup first for the Herbal Essence one, because मुझे plants and all लटकाने पीछे and बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है. So I'm gonna do that setup first, and उसके बाद I'll take the Plum का stop motion video, and उसके बाद I'm gonna take the Herbal Essence one. I hope that the lighting sort of coordinates with me तब तक. So yeah, now without any blabbering, let's get to the setup. So I just got done with all of the shoot. I mean, flat lays abhi bhi bache. That's the reason I just changed into something comfortable. So now I'm gonna take the flat lays. It's 6 o'clock right now. It literally took me 4 hours. Like today was one of the longest days. But yeah, let's take the flat lays and wrap this up. Guys, I mean, what do I even say? I broke my vlogging tripod. ये 3 डंडी थी and अब ये टूट गया. I am like depressed right now. I was vlogging with this and I just hit my tripod onto a wall and this just broke. यार this was such a good tripod man and ये पूरा ही टूट गया है, like बुरी तरह से टूटा है. I think I'll be able to attach this again. Damn it यार, I was really loving this tripod man. Guys, I just got done with all of the shoot, like literally every single thing, and let me just show you the mess that I've created. It's not even funny. Oh, this is the amount of mess I have right now. This is on my bed. वहाँ पे vanity पे अलग सब पसारा पड़ा है. Now I need to clear this up quickly. Hey guys, so I just got done with my dinner. I removed my makeup, I cleared all the mess that you saw earlier, and now I am about to sit and edit everything that I shot today. I usually like to edit on the same day that I film. Obviously with YouTube videos it takes quite some time, but for like Instagram content I like to do it on the same day itself, because with these branded contents you have to send everything for approval first. So after it gets approved, they will tell you to upload it on the timeline they have decided for the campaign. So it's actually much better that you have the content ready like prior to all of your dates and everything. So that's the reason I'm gonna edit everything right now. So what I do is I transfer all of my data from my phone to my laptop, and I use my laptop to edit all of my videos, like if it's IGTV video or Instagram Reels or just normal Instagram videos. I use iMovie, which is a pre-installed app on Apple devices, and for my pictures I stick to Lightroom. And earlier I used to edit everything on my phone itself, but then it मतलब बहुत storage issues हो रहे थे, and my phone is like 3 years old now almost, so like थोड़ा बुढ़ा हो गया है वो, so I need to like not pressurize it so much. So that's the reason I use my laptop. And yeah, right now it's 9. I think it will take me 2 hours minimum at least to edit and send everything for approval. So yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so I just got done with all of the editing. I sent all the videos and pictures to all the respective brands for approval. It's right now 12. It took me 3 hours to just edit a couple of Instagram pictures and Instagram videos and reels. YouTube ke liye to it literally takes like 3 hours for just one single video. But not complaining, so happy, so satisfied with all the things that I got done today. Let us know if you would like to see more such behind the scenes vlogs. We would love to do it. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we will see you all in our next video. Bye.